Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will discuss about Scipy constant. Okay. So, Scipy constant is similar to others programming language constant package, but the Scipy constant package is available with the range constant, and which is used extensively in the scientific field. So there are various physical, mathematical constant and units we can import from the package. Let's say like there are constant pi, golden ratio, and uh, speed of light alpha, sigma, like that, or Planck constant, Boltzmann constant. So let's go for the code. Okay. For working with Scipy constant, you need to import library from Scipy constants import. Okay, I'm working with pi, so I import pi, and from math import pi. Now I'll print the value of pi. Okay, for that print value of pi equal %.188. That means I want to take the floating point number tends to 18. Okay. Okay. And now just define the constant Scipy dot constant dot pi. Okay, let's execute this command. Attempt relative import parent package. So here okay, the error is I do not import the main Scipy library. That's why it shows the error. And now I will execute this command. I will execute this shell. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it shows 3.14159, and the number of the float section is 18, as I defined it as .18f. So that's the way you can working with constant value in Scipy or scientific calculations. So there are a lot of scientific value, and you just need to find out what units you are used in it. Okay, I shows the another example from Scipy the constant import find physical constants find Boltzmann. Okay, let's execute this command, and that's the Boltzmann constant, actually the output. Okay, so that's how we can working with constant value in Scipy, no matter it's mathematical or physical. So thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.